In this video, I will show you how to turn off screen timeout on your laptop so your screen stays on longer without going to sleep. Now to do this, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, you want to type Control Panel and then open up Control Panel underneath Best Match. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner and where it says View By, you want to change this to large icons. Then what you want to do is look for Power Options. So the option here, Power Options, give that a click, and what that's going to do is open a window like this. From here, come over to the menu on the left hand side and you're going to see an option which says choose when to turn off the display. Give that a click and this is where you can come to turn off your screen timeout. So you can see on the laptop we've got two options to turn off the display, one for when we're on battery and one for when we're plugged in. You click onto the drop down box, you can choose when to set the screen timeout for. You can see by default it's going to be set to about 10-15 minutes, but if you come down and select the option which says never, this is going to turn off the screen timeout. So make sure you do this for on battery and plugged in, and I would also recommend doing this on the option which says put the computer to sleep. What that's going to do is turn off screen timeout on your Windows 11 laptop. So that is how to turn off screen timeout on your laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.